Not everyone who walks beside you was meant to stay the whole journey, but Jah always sends the right ones when you need them most. Some people come like sunshine, brighten up the road. Some arrive when the night is heavy, just to help you carry the load. Jah place souls in your path at the time you need them most. Not every meeting is random, some are blessings sent by the most. Jah send the right ones in my life when the road get rough and wide. Friends that stand through storm and fire, never leaving Jah by my side. Jah send the right ones every time when the darkness starts to fall. Through the trials and the climb, Jah was guiding it all. Some stayed when the money was low, some stayed when the dreams felt small. Some stood firm when the doubts came close and the pressure tried to make me fall. Jah teach me through these people what loyalty really means. Not the ones who appear in the sunshine, but the ones who stand in between. Jah send the right ones in my life, not always loud or strong, but their presence feels like guidance when the road feels long. Jah send the right ones every time in ways we don't always see. Sometimes angels walk beside us, looking just like family. Through the laughter, through the pain, through the sunshine and the rain, Jah reveal the hearts that stay when the easy ones walk away. Jah send the right ones in my life, and for that I give my praise. For every hand that helped me stand through the darkest days, Jah send the right ones every time. So I walk this road with faith, grateful for the souls He placed along my path each day. Some blessings look like people, and Jah know exactly when to send them.